なクーポンも。
The first time I ever saw Jurassic Park, I was 9 or 10, and I saw it in the theater. I even had a Jurassic Park tent that I used to sleep in my bedroom. While I was sleeping in that tent, I was dreaming that someday I would be part of Jurassic World. It literally is a dream come true to be a part of this.
Alright everyone, so the D-Rex burger is real. What do you all think of that? Well, not D-Rex, but T-Rex burger, Mosasaurus burger, and Quetzalcoatlus burger. I think it's pretty cool. I don't think they're not new clips from the movie, because you have Macca's flying over the ocean with the Mosasaurus jumping out, so it's clearly just promotional work. But it's new looks at the Mosasaurus and the T-Rex. We have seen that Quetz asset before where it flies in and stuff, but still, good look at all that. And then, yeah, obviously today we got that bonus Scarlett Johansson thing where they're at the CCXP event, and we see a slight bonus glimpse of that Spinosaurus Mosasaurus scene, you know, and yeah, basically we just see, I think, Nina on top of the boat, and I don't know, maybe a Spinosaurus is going to come and attack. We'll see what happens. But yeah, make sure to watch up here for more. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all later. Bye, everyone.